March ni som sang ni som ni parukani Israel hian in Lebanon a Hezbollah ho a be na sakhop maya hengte kan riak anga chuanin heta hian in a headline highlights poimo zual kanon riak don bok ani.
Hello, welcome. You're watching Beyond World is One. My name is Mohammed Saleh, and let's start this broadcast by taking a quick look at what is making headlines this hour.
Hey, US Defense Secretary.
Today will be yet again our most intense day of strikes inside Iran.
Voina hian our most intense day of strike atia. Iran an be to zonga anasaber pol voina hianin athing le donani. Tima umay ni.
The most fighters, the most bombers, the most strikes. Intelligence more refined and better than ever.
Omje chu tuna hianin US sin la du tok lo na sa ani ai na sa le zo zo ka tuna hianin Iran hi beyan tu mani Israel lampangina Iran abe hi news le min arri de timaila an be reng thawa mar chu news in ron abwak lowa ton son Israel-in Lebanon na Hezbollah ho abe hi an ron up le na sa zo ka tuna ri chuan chu tiang ani mek lai chuanin America lampang te chuanin a ai na sa le zo zok le tun indo na hun chunga ana sa berpol ni theitur khopan sa in Iran na be puyan thak le donani bomber tamzok missile tamzok bomb tamzok engkim intelligence chazokin uluktakin an be le don ni
Intelligence.
The American Secretary of War, Pete Hegseth, says that today will be the most intense day of the American bombings and asserts that the American and the Israeli forces are apparently winning decisively, and Iran, he claims, is losing badly.
Iran lampang hi an chaklo mek zela tiang zong khan an soy ni Hegseth a hian mo Peter Hegseth Iran cluster missile
The second person has apparently been killed after Iran's...
mi pakhat thilai kan en renga va den va cluster bomb cluster missile hi aden khop maya Iran atang hian missile pakhat hi thok chok char char don ni thok char charanga Iraq te khati khanin a thok khum vekanga chuan Middle East ram sang sanga America te khatiang an air defense zong zong apal tang vek nuwa khanin Israel an air defense system tam tak panga vel ning ka shekha mi kha apal tang leanga chumi nuwa kha missile pakhata kha bom tam taka tikhana in siam daranga chu chuanin Israel a mun pakhat chau ni lo missile pakhat mang khanin target tam tak kha tikhan mun khata khom de chun ni thonga maro chu missile kha bom te naw te te tikhana dar dona ni mo khatiang khanin Iran hian in cluster missile mang hian in Israel hi lo waka pa ni oma ta chuanin mi pahni in nuna an chan ani mel
missile strike in Israel's Yehuda region on Monday.
Lai pa hi mo thal top mai
Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi speaks to his Turkish counterpart over the phone and reiterates that Tehran actually never launched any projectiles at Turkey and calls for vigilance over a plot to destroy the bilateral ties by the State of Israel.
Turkey lampang hianin thu chuan ron se mani voina achan chu an ngai dana chuanin Iran hianin Turkey lam hoin missile an kap chuak ni in Turkey lampang chuan an ngaya amaro chu Iran te chuanin missile ve khat ma ka ron kap lo Israel thil tin e kha Israel-in Turkey le Iran ram in lai chi na ti chiat adu awangin hetiang hianin Israel chuanin che taron la a chu keini Iran ti amin mo puan nang ni ponin lo ngaya maro chu kha uluk takin missile kha khoi tanga local nge ti kha sui ro utin Iran lampang chuanin Turkey hi an thrilani kat maina ten fortune la mai
The first phone call of the year 2026 between Donald Trump and Vladimir Putin, the Russian President Vladimir Putin apparently offered to mediate amidst the ongoing West Asia war. Both leaders also discussed the impending trilateral negotiations over Ukraine.
Tuna hianin Putin a hian Trump ale Putin an in bia nin kola dar kar khachuan in bia tin news on report ani hetin in biak na hian thil tam tak an soya Ukraine chung chan soya Iran chung chan soya Venezuela chung chang ten soya oil man sang te pon soyang ten Putin a hianin Iran ne na indo hi atop theina turatan in biak na lam te kan hoile don mi niang in biak don chonin ke hi palai na khalo thok theya tangkai takaron thok theya ni ti in Putin a hianin Trump hi ashila Trump a chuanin khai nang chu Ukraine indo khati to photla kha kan ta na tangkai khopang ti in Trump a hianin Putin a hi alo shila ni Trump ปังเงี้ยเห็นอามาเห็นอามาเงี้ยเห็นตัวนักการสวยค่ะสวยนี่โอ้งั้นทีเขาไม่ปุตินันเองตินตักเราไงยังบอกให้เตียงกับ Trump ปันสวยๆด้านเฮ
And India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds discussions with the Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri and the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar to address the shortage of LPG gas.
Tuna hianin Iran tenin do wang hianin India mun chen khata hianin LPG liquefied petroleum gas hi har sa chan amun liu ka ti news hai ron lang le nul thina Modi kan Prime Minister Modi hianin khamia concerned minister kham mo kan external foreign minister Jaishankar am muboka hemi chungcha hianin an lowin ron khom uluk viawani ome soitong hanin Iran hianin khovela oil supply kalkong poimo tak pakhat Strait of Hormuz kha khar paka khawang hanin tuna hianin an boy ni UK pay chu a boil as well ram boil as well ang report ani achan chu oil te gas man turte an ta cham thoi don ang report ani tuna hian
by the Iran war. And Pakistan's Navy launches a maritime security operation to protect the shipping lanes and energy supplies as regional tensions threaten key sea routes.
Long ve va na poi mo tak tak kha Pakistan lampang po hian in an long event ve khop maya an ni po Afghanistan ne to hen ti boi me kan lain do nge do lo Iran new sian in ron hlia khu ne lutuka chu wan so atira han Afghanistan e Pakistan te pan in do viawa an lain do chun zom zelawem kami kha hriat cha kom khop mai ti chuan Pakistan lampang po hian hei Iran in do kha an ma ni lampang po lo effect ve de wan yang hei an oil phur long ang chi te ka khapa ngai taka an kong zo te an zo zel theina turatan tluang taka an kal zel theina turatan khanin Pakistan Navy ho chuan security operation han lo launch ve ani ve ana
And Russia's latest strike on Ukraine's frontline town of Sloviansk kills at least 4 people and injures 16 others.
Russia-in Ukraine na Sloviansk ti khialo be ya mi palin thia nuna anchana mi som palivelin liaman tur boka Russia-in Ukraine be charchara chuan Iran indona chuanin US le Israel le Iran in kara indo hi atop theinan palai na kan lo thok thein zukti le dai boxia makhin khop mai khovel hi chuanin Israelina Lebanon be na turata na drone an man chungchang ve hi kan riekang
More Israeli strikes which have now been reported in southern Lebanon. Our colleagues on the ground are reporting an Israeli drone strike that targeted the town of Barashit in southern Lebanon. The state-run national news agency reported airstrikes on the southern town of Adchit and Breka. 4 people were injured in the town of Haruf. That's what the NNA said, which is the national news agency. Remember, Israel is not just attacking Iran, but it has
to hianin Israel hianin Lebanon lama hian be pia thlang na sakhop mai ani arwalin to hianin Israel hianin rampan hi abe chu ni ta de maya Lebanon takhi chuan in Israel chun be le lo ma ro chu Lebanon na Hezbollah ho hi heian hal khop maya Iran ina hel khoi te ania Hezbollah ho hi Israel khan ti lampa hanin an commander poi mo tak te po kha an tha sakngal ani kha amaro chu an dai rei thin khop maya heng Hezbollah ho te poi tu apo hen Israel hianin be pui ala thak ve charchara ni Hezbollah target poi mo tak kha he Israel lampang poi na ka fu ve thawa hei hi Lebanon chimlama bareta te adite breka te Israel hianin drone mangin Hezbollah omna ho te hi abe ni na langa maro ta hianin Hezbollah baka hianin midang thi te pon om ve mai theya hei chu indo na ani alo thei lova tuna hian Israel e Iran te hian ani som pakhat na an thleng to ni an in do hi mo tuna hianin Hezbollah te tin be vele meg bokani Israel
has also launched a massive operation against the Hezbollah Iranian proxy in Lebanon. Those are the visuals of the black smoke billowing from those buildings in Lebanon.
Rap thak la mai tiang mai khu building tam tak thok le khata tianin ron khu 5 vek mai no tiang mai khu dum lu tu khian mo drone an be na ni ngei tur ani
On after an Israeli drone strike hit various areas. Take a listen to that video before we go
and ring mai ve puak dur mai
back to the Teraj call.
Israel lampang point ti mai lo khop mai Israel hi an ram hi atena zu thil hin ti thei khop mai an intelligence te hi tha ang renga an soidan tak phei chuanin mi then khatten a shezok tena an soidan tak phei chuanin Israel sipai te thil ti theina hi kan lam mutak tak lo wa chan chu US sipai te le US lampang hianin an rabbet deuh reuh hei rabbet hanti khanin a thalo zong ni chuang lowin khatiang an theina an potential an theina zong phau chua khovel min hmua phau chua aron om tura kha khami kha US te America lampang te hianin an la hlia khu ne lutuk nin an soyani chumi thiam zok te na soidan ania Israel te ramate na chu thilan ti thei khop main intelligence khovel pumpia phei chuanin a thapol ani le hal box yamo ole khati zong kha tun tru mata na kan han riek le thei chu ani video le ngai mule theu don yo